forgot the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Sorry that my hair is very crazy. That was also super awesome. You guys did that. As the title you guys saw, yes, we are making Nickelodeon slime, but also we are making bubble slime, we're making stress ball slime, and we're making surprise slime. And it includes everything you need, even glitter slime. So, look how nice that go. So, now, oh yeah, I forgot to grab the bag. Yeah, that's it. Sorry about that. So I actually have my own stress ball iron made. There's something where I actually made by myself. We're gonna make a clear glue slime. A white glue slime, instructions, Poopsie instructions, a dirty bowl that could be cleaned but never wants to be cleaned. Yeah. Slime activator, paints, I spilled, didn't it? Yep, totally did. Magic liquids, aka slime activator. Purple glue, the straw to make bubbles, sticks to stir, slime already made, glitter, tube I can actually push the slime into. Scented slimes I've already made. Slime that I've made. All the slimes that I made are going on the ground. They are freaking wet. Plus I need a new bag. Yeah. Ugh. Slime that I've already made again. That's too much magic liquid. Be quiet. more slimes that I've also made. I'm still trying to clean out this bowl. Okay. Add blue glitter. Another stick. Measuring cup. Spoon. A charm. Slime I already made that is so good. That was like my first slime that I've made. And then my balloon. I don't know what balloon is. And I guess we're making one stress ball today. Anyway, guys. I got this last night. And at 7 in the morning, came up here, everyone was awake, started making slime with everyone. And it's what, like, about, what time is it? It's 1:19 in the morning. No, sorry, in the morning. In the afternoon, I just had lunch and stuff. So I'm going to get this situated. You guys are also going to look, but it won't really be that awesome. You guys can, like, skip if you guys need. But other than that, stay tuned. Okay. So what I'm going to actually do first is I'm going to pour some of my purple glue into my bowl. I know it looks disgusting, but trust me, it isn't. Harley, go lay down. There's 3 dogs in the background. One's over there, one's over there, one's right there. And it's just like, I have 2 puppies in the kitchen too, so. We're going to make little slime first to show you guys what it looks like. Guys, and this glue is messy. And people use one whole thing of this. Alright, so next, what you are going to need is some activator. My activator is either laundry detergent, Nickelodeon slime activator, or magic liquid. I pour 1.5 and see how much that is. That's not even anything. Almost 10 milliliters. Need like 10 milliliters to do. So I just did like a half, 2.5 of this, and that just got me there. Pour a little at a time. Mix well. If needed more, then grab more. Where's the person that I know? They must have left with all your faith. I'm paralyzed. Where's the real me? I'm lost and kills me inside. I'm paralyzed. I'm paralyzed. I'm scared to die. I'm scared to live, but I'm scared to die. Oh yeah, this one's just water. I forgot. And guys, water makes it like jiggly slime, so this slime's gonna be very jiggly. Oh whoa, it actually is jiggly. Look, I can't even like, it's that jiggly that it falls off. And like, it suffocates my spoon. Ew. Listen. I don't know if you guys heard that, but it goes. It's disgusting. Okay. Water. Not water. Because I poured water in here. Hi. She's like suffocating my spoon. Ew. So yeah, that's the slime. But, hey! Sophia, be nice. You okay, haha? Come here. No, Sophia, you're mean. Be nice. She's not even a year old. And you're freaking 2. You're gonna be 30 soon. Dog year, she's 20 right now. No, 29. In October something, she's gonna turn 30. Which in dog years, that's 30. You're gonna be old, Sophia. Old. Hey, who wants a puppy? Someone come grab him from me. The Shih Tzu Terrier mix. Guys, and I know what you guys are thinking. That is not a bad word. It's a type of a dog. Shih Tzu Terrier mix. And guys, this slime comes out very cold. Don't worry. Don't heat it up though. That will melt your slime. Don't do it. That's how the girl is smiling right now with blue, glittery, stretchy, floamy slime. It goes. Okay, guys, I'm going to put a charm in. You guys have to guess the charm. Okay. Guys, what is the charm? To duck, to straw, or to spoon? Which one? A duck, a straw, or a spoon? Which one? If you guys guessed straw, you guys are wrong. If you guys guessed spoon, you guys are wrong. If you guys guessed duck, you were right. Comment down below which one did you guys think. At our old school church, I forgot the name of it, but at our old school, we actually used to do this. No, it goes. And I used to do that to all the boys, and they're like, "You're doing it wrong." I'm like, "You're doing it wrong." They all used to blush. I'm like, "What do you guys think you are? Some freaking bad guys trying to get a nerd?" Because I was a nerd. Okay, guys, I'm going to make a bubble. Hopefully you guys can see it. Yeah, you guys might. Oh, you guys saw that? Did you guys see that? Okay. Okay, let me move everything out of the way. Okay, there it goes. This is the oldest bubble I've made my entire life. You guys hear me? That was the biggest bubble. Okay, comment down below because I gave you guys a sentence. That was the biggest bubble. And then you guys get to guess what I said. Now, I'm going to tell you at the end of the video. Oh, fork. Guys, the earth is a good place. You guys shouldn't be saying bad words. Only your parents should. I'm so cringy. That was cool, guys. Okay, so it is the end of this slime. So I'm going to tell you guys what I said. I said that was the biggest, this was the biggest bubble I blew in my entire life. Comment down below if you guys guessed that. Harley, come here, babies. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it, babies. Just don't like me because I think you just ate a mouse. Go lay down. Go. Who's that? Who's that? Yeah, who was it? Oh, it was my mom's car, I think. My mom's gonna go get some diner for tonight. Anyway, so yeah, that's the end of this slime. It's very sticky. We're gonna let that sit over in this cookie cutter. I'm actually set it over here. I'm actually sit on this box. Okay, so I'm going to set it in this cookie cutter over here. Okay, I'm going to also be munching on some grape, if I can get this open. There we go. Now I'm going to be munching on some grapes. Hey, Sophia. Sophia. Come on, babies. This is the mama, the puppies. There's only two of them right now because they're in a home. Okay, so the next slime is going to actually be into here. Yeah, let's check at that. Now, I'm actually make something with the clear glue. Fork. Oh, it's right here. Okay. I'm going to try doing this without making any bubbles, so wish me luck. Oh, there's already bubbles, guys. Alright, well, I'm going to add a charm. It's either a spoon, a duck, or straw. I know it's not the straw, right, because it's right here. Now I have 2 of these spoons. Okay, so now I'm going to actually add some paint to make it like a clear paint. But first I'm going to have to add some water because I want it to be jiggly slime. Oh, and I found out which kind of thing it is, but I'm not going to tell you guys. You guys wonder. You guys are going to, oh, I got water. Did you guys see the charm? Hopefully you guys didn't. Fork. Now this is just thick, thick, thick clear glue. You guys know how like Nickelodeon slime is like so gooey? That's what this slime is. Well, it's not slime. It's like glue, thick glue. It actually turns into slime by itself. But, yeah, look. Okay. And guys, Nickelodeon slime was like super stretchy. Now. Yeah. Get that and that. This way, that way. Ooh, yeah, right there. Hey! Harley. Come here, Harley. Harley, come on. Good girl. Good girl. Stop trying to play dead. Around any other dog, she will play dead. But the house dogs. So I'm going to just add a little bit of this glitter if I can open it. I can open it. Oh, wait. Oh. Alright. See where this is going. It's kind of what I get for not having scissors by my side, but other than that, I'm sparkly. I don't want to be sparkly. I have school tomorrow. God, I'm going to have to take a shower. Now my grapes will be sparkly. Is this edible? Well, at least I know it will make my mouth sparkly. But other than that, my grandparents are going to be mad at me. my dog she's like not pregnant anymore, but she's like, it's like she's, how do I say it? Fat of milk. And like she's too fat to get up here. I'm like, dude, use the freaking stool. She's like, I'm like, use the stool, because she understands me. She ain't Mexican, she ain't English. Oh, she's English. But, Sophia, Fifi, Poopy. I call my other dog Poopy. I call her Poopy. Sophia, be nice. Leave her alone. She didn't do anything to hurt you, did she? Oh, Harley, go lay down. No, you're not allowed to touch these. Go get it. Go get it. Go ahead and get him. Harley, my dog, Poopy, she actually eats mice for us anywhere, so she comes anywhere with me. If there's a mouse, she eats it. I'm like, even when we go out, I'm like, you're disgusting, but I still let you lick me. And she swallows their hearts whole. I'm like, you're gonna have a heart coming out. And to tell you that it's like this big as the duck. And I'm all like, seriously? That is disgusting. I watched her swallow one whole before. It's like, and I'm like, you're disgusting. You disgust me sometimes, Harley. Poopy, come here. Come here. Did you eat some poopers? No, she just ate a mouse. There's one named Kiba. 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 You two girls are so selfish. Go get it. Wait. Wait, is this non-toxic? Okay, it's non-toxic. What does non-toxic mean again? Alright, so I just made this cute, clear blue slime. You let it sit for a couple days and it comes clear. You do that a couple times, guys. At the end, I'm actually making a slime smoothie. Stay tuned for that. Okay, let's get thirst out. I believe when I fell down, I'm only human. And I crash and I break down, I'm only human. Have you guys heard that song? Comment down below if you guys did. Sorry there's like, I'm like talking a lot and like being quiet. But I mean, that's what I mostly do, but I'm talking to a camera, which is very embarrassing. But it goes on to YouTube, and then my videos get seen, and then I become popular and famous, and I don't want to be that famous because I'm not selfish like other YouTubers are. Like, I'm not that type of person that's like, yeah, you can go do that while I'm going to do this, because I like doing this and you don't like it, so you can just go somewhere else. I'm like, I'm not that kind of YouTuber that does that. I'm not famous. I only have 2 subscribers. Please like and subscribe. And if this gets to 13 likes, then I'll like everyone's comment that they post. And then comment back, and I'll pin a couple to the top. Well, actually, I'll pin 2 to the top, and then I'll pin 1 as my favorite comment. Then the rest I'll just like and comment. Right now, I am only in 5th grade because I'm only a 5th grade YouTuber. Anyway, some things you guys should know about me is that I've been a YouTuber for 4 years. So 4 years ago I was in 1st grade, and I've been a YouTuber since 1st grade. Now I'm in 5th grade. Harley, would you have Drop It? No. I've had Harley for not even a year yet. I've had Sophia for 2 years. I've had Kiba for about 8 years. I have my turtle for about, about 6, maybe. Well, I got him when I was 2, so he's 8 years old. So I got him about 8 years ago, yeah. And he actually had, my turtle, he actually had brothers and sisters, but they passed away sadly. And he was the only, turtle that survived. And they were stolen. We didn't know that. But now we do. But at least he's safe, and the turtles are in a better place now. He had 7 brothers and 7 sisters. 14 turtles in all. We actually bought them all. They were expensive too, but other than that, yeah. And if you guys see, if I take my ring off, a little, see a blue spot, I have to cover that with nail polish or glue, or Parva glue. But other than that, yeah. See, I'm making still a couple clear glue slimes. I'm actually trying to not to get any bubbles in, but good and glitter in. A lot of bubbles at the end. But sorry if I'm super quiet. I mean, that's just me. And a couple more things you guys should know about me is that I have 2 puppies. One needs to be adopted already. Hit me up if you guys want this dog. Shih Tzu Black Terrier mix. And another thing you should know about me is that I'm single for the rest of my life. I have a phone. I have 2 sisters. I have a mom. I have a dad. I have a lot of pets. I have a great family. I love my family. They love me. I have people from different cities in the U.S., from Oregon. Some of my family members live in Oregon. Some of my family members live in Kansas. Some of my family members probably live in Nevada. Yeah, in different states. Pretty cool, but oh yeah, and sorry, that scared me. I'm gonna rewatch this video to see what happens to my face. Anyway, more things you guys should know about me is that I actually live in a basement. Yeah, no need to worry about that. Me and my family got this all handled. It's fine. Anything, you guys can ask me questions in the comments and I'll answer all of them. My favorite thing to eat is actually lasagna. My least favorite thing to eat is noodles and pasta and noodles, pasta, and pizza I hate. I love water. I love anything to drink except beer and wine and all beverages I hate. My family smokes. Yeah. Most little kids don't smoke, but my mom smokes. So does my dad. And my grandma. And my grandpa's. So what I'm going to actually do now is I'm going to actually make this all backwards. So what is this? Okay. Water. We barely need any water for this slime, so about like 10 milliliters for this slime. My activator is going to be not that much. My glue is not going to be that much either. I think my hand just got here. Hang on. Yep. Hang on, guys. Oh, actually, guys, my family members, my grandma, my grandpa, and my aunt just got here, so did my 2 cousins, and I think my sister. No idea yet, but they come. And I think that's all you guys need to know about me. Sorry, I'm not going to tell you guys my age or what school I go to. Sorry, I can't answer those questions because I just don't want to and don't need to. Harley, get down. Yeah, it's gonna be loud in here, so I'm gonna have to go, yeah, I know, yeah, I'm gonna have to be like that, but I'm not that type of person that goes, yeah, I go do that. I'm barely that type of person, but yeah. Hi, Pebbles.
Hi.
Hi.
Is this how you like?
You got another kit? 2 of them.
2?
Yeah.
God is it. God is it.
Yeah, guys, it's gonna start being loud in here, so.
What?
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 I'm talking to YouTube. Cuba, go lay down.
You've been up here the whole time?
Yep, even when you guys left.
Are you trying? Did you say what YouTubers?
Yep.
Okay, what
Look at
YouTubers?
this is actually my slime smoothie. First I made it. No, don't. This is actually.
Clearly go.
Anyway. So, it's time to make this all mixed up. That was me. With my glue. My glue. Okay, next I'm going to do some water because I want this slime jiggly. A jiggly purple slime. Maybe a jiggly sunset. Maybe a jiggly fire slime.
Maybe
What
a
are you
jiggly
doing out there,
fire.
Poopy? Can you let Poopy in?
Yes.
What did Faith say?
She said, "Oh, Echo, I found that two Daddy only stuck together."
Oh.
But I don't think that. She found two stuck together.
Who?
Faith.
What did she say?
She said, I found two Daddy only stuck together."
Ew. Two daddy long legs stuck together, guys.
But that's not really. I don't think that's true.
And I think Poopy's out there again. Or did you just let her in?
I just let her in.
Oh, then she jumped the gate. Echo, look how clear this is, but you have to let all of these clear glues sit out for 7 days and then it'll become clear.
That's how much they just did in Oregon.
Echo, look. Are you guys going in a minute?
Yeah.
Then why are you guys here?
I don't know why.
I wish you guys could stay. If I was you, I would be like, Daddy, I feel sick, I can't go. So then you guys wouldn't have to go. Here I go. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna pick up my slime smoothie. And then now I'm actually going to mix it together. Echo, look, I'm mixing all my slimes together. It's gonna become purple. I don't like purple that much. Hi, Faith. Wait, is it two daddy long legs?
No one.
Oh.
Hey, Echo, we got a Daddy long leg for you. I don't eat spiders.
Yes, you do, and don't lie.
Echo, it's a Daddy long leg, not a spider.
Daddy long legs are spiders,
No.
Faith. Yeah.
No.
Do you know that they're the most poisonous things on Earth, but they can't bite you because their mouths are too small?
Who?
Daddy long legs. They're the most poisonous spiders, but they can't bite you because they have two little mouths. Hey, Amr, you want some slime? Here's your slime for the week.
Thanks. Oh, no.
No, it's actual good slime.
No, thanks.
Why? Is it just cold?
No, I don't like it.
You don't like it.
No.
Now.
Oh, what the?
Yeah. Here, go throw this away. Go throw it away.
No, I'm not throwing.
Hey, Echo, go throw this away.
No.
I'll give you $1.
No.
I'll give you 2 of them.
No.
I'll give you 100
No.
so you can buy a hoverboard.
No, I need a
Oh. I thought that would work. Anyway, guys. Peace.